Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get these holographic nails done at home, and I promise it's super easy. So if you guys want to know how to get them done, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my previous nail polish. And that's my Instagram ID, so if you're not following me on Instagram, then please do. So I'm done removing my nail polish. Now I'm applying the base coat. This is my Holy Grail Essence base coat. The next step is to apply nail polish, and I am using Maybelline's black color nail polish for this particular nail art. And that's what our nails look like after one coat. Good job with the pigment Maybelline. After the first coat has dried up, go ahead and apply the second coat. In case you get some nail polish on your skin, just use this corrector pen. This one is by Essence. As soon as you're done applying your second coat, start putting the glitter powder on the nail. Make sure that your nail polish is not completely dry and it's semi-dry. I'm going to set the powder by using a very light hand, and I'm going to set it in one direction as you guys can see, and just tap to remove the extras. I am putting it on the edge because I'm just going to face my thumb downward and it naturally falls all over the nail. I've tried this nail art using circular motions as well, but I've realized that setting the powder in one direction is the key to this nail art. Only then you're going to get the whole reflective holographic effect that you're looking for. The links of all the products will be in the description box below. After everything is completely dry, I just took a brush and I was just cleaning my entire hand because the glitter is going to be there for a while, guys. It sticks to the skin for a bit, but it does come off in a couple of hours. When there's too much light, it's going to look metallic like this, but when you go out in the sunlight or in warm light or just low lighting, it's going to look exactly like this. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. Love you. Mwah.